Hello, everyone. I'm Chris Mavrogiannis from the University of Washington, and I'm going to talk to you about our paper on analyzing multi-agent interactions in traffic scenes via topological braids. Traffic scenes pose great challenges for autonomous vehicles due to the richness of possible behavior, the complexity of human modeling, and the safety-critical nature of the domain. A large body of work has proposed data-driven models for vehicle behavior prediction and planning. Understanding properties like sample diversity and support over the space of theoretically possible behavior is crucial in ensuring transfer to real-world domains. However, multi-agent behavior is complex, and the purely geometric trajectory features that are typically employed to characterize it may miss crucial properties of interaction. In this work, we provide a tool for characterizing multi-agent traffic behavior in a formal and interpretable fashion with the goal of assisting in assessing properties like interactivity. Specifically, we leverage the formalism of topological braids as a tool for summarizing multi-agent behavior in a traffic scene in a compact form. A braid is a topological object with geometric and symbolic descriptions that can summarize multi-agent behavior into a sequence of symbols. Braids form a group that can be generated by a set of primitive elements shown here. Using braids, we develop a mathematical abstraction that extracts the topological properties of spatiotemporal entanglement among the trajectories of navigating agents. For example, the behavior of the 4 agents on the left can be summarized as the braid on the right. The braid is a low-dimensional representation of the episode, retaining the topological relationships among agents and dropping any geometric features. This allows us to encode relationships like passing first or second, left or right into symbols that can be put in sequence to form a word describing the whole episode. The topological complexity index of a braid allows us to characterize the complexity of entanglement of agents' trajectories throughout an episode. Higher complexity implies a greater interactivity among agents. For example, the braid on the right is more complex than the braid on the left because the red trajectory gets entangled more directly with the white trajectories next to it. In contrast, notice how in the left braid, the red trajectory essentially encircles the other two, avoiding interaction with them altogether. To demonstrate the value of this framework, we considered 2 recent real-world traffic datasets, in-D and round-D. We split the trajectory data of each scene into a series of episodes of finite duration and characterized their topological properties. Here are a few examples from 3 different scenes. We plot the topological complexity index and print the corresponding braid representation for each one. Note how higher topological complexity correlates with richer interactions among agents. We conducted a statistical analysis to extract the topological properties of the whole datasets. For each scene, we plot the distribution of unique braids that were found, along with their topological complexity and the fraction of the dataset they represent. We see that the behavior observed in each scene collapses into a small number of unique braids describing vehicles' interaction patterns. The bulk of episodes feature a relatively low topological complexity, indicating a lower degree of interactivity among vehicles, despite the rich interactions that the purely geometric trajectory analysis would give. Overall, our work provides a formal model for characterizing the space of behavior in traffic scenes. A framework can be used in the evaluation of traffic datasets, but also in the evaluation of algorithms. It can serve as a guide for balanced data collection or even the generation of new synthetic datasets. Finally, our framework is applicable in the analysis and design of neural networks. For more details, feel free to check out our paper. Thank you.